Hey guys, it's again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Time check, it's 3:30 AM na. Ito po yung sinasabi ko kagabi na meron pa po kaming surprise kay mama. Yung gagawin po namin ngayon ay magmamanyanita po kami sa kanya.
Good afternoon everyone, adi kami na ang barbecuehan ni Nash. Amin yung mga tao nagahara na yan na. How colorful is the morning as we come and sing to you with hearts so full of gladness. Kinabuhi nanin maupay nakabubuhas mo. Bisan kung kapusan ang kahimtang amon na ginahalan kung piyay ngabutang. It is a happy holiday. It is your birthday, round-a-lay, ole, round-a-lay, ole.
Kumagaharanahin namin siya, guys. Huwag na po natin patagalin, guys. Let's go. Update lang po, nandito na po kami sa labas. Ito yung mga kapatid ko, guys. We're waiting for our guitarist.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, update lang. Ito na po yung aming guitarist. Mamanyanita na kami, guys.
Lyrics ko lang. It's the morning as we come and see hearts so full of gladness and the fall will soon for you. The day that you were born. The flowers first in world must still be born,
and the saints of heaven song. We wish you happy birthday. Years long, God bless you now and forever. Their dreams come true, their as let our voices ring as we sing this birthday song. Make you feel the warmth of the love as we sing along. We wish the world is mine, so a good evening to you. I wish that the stars and the garden grace for you. Happy birthday. May you walk in the sight of God. May all your praise be heard by a good Lord from above. We wish you happy birthday. Come true, dear one. Today's your birthday, your most special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget your sorrows, it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most awaited day. You could hear the voices of your brothers and sisters sing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday to you. Look at the sunshine rising up above, shining on the mountains, surrounded by the rain. Look at the birds knocking down the trees, trees and melodies on the most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your brothers and sisters sing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Nanalangin mo ang lawan, ang ingat na mo, ikaw ang malipayon. Sa gandang bahay, nanawing nagkinabuhin, ya'y maupay, nagkabubuhason. Isang kultapusan ang kahinda, ang naging nahala, hindi ay gano'n. Sana mo kasing-kasing, punuin ang tuman, ang iyong katuma, para'y nakasusan. We are here to greet you on your natal day. We are here to see you, the birth around the lane. It's a happy birthday. We are happy too. As we sing with all our heart, because we love you so. It is your birthday, round the lake, ole, happy holiday. It is your birthday, round the lake, ole. It is a happy, happy, happy holiday. It is your birthday, round the lake, ole. We are here to greet you. We are here to sing, around the lake. It's a happy birthday, we are happy too. We sing with all our heart, because we love you so. It is your birthday, round the lake, ole, happy holiday. It is your birthday, round the lake, ole. It is your happy, happy holiday. It is your birthday, round the lake, ole. It is a happy, happy holiday. It is your birthday, round the lake, ole.
Okay na mas mo. Di ka pwede naman. Di ka pwede naman pas.
Birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Alright guys, nandito na po ang aming mga pagkain. At Angel is preparing her food for today's video. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing, dude? Sana'y di tayo magbago.
moments later.
Hi guys, tapos na rin kami magmanyanita and tapos na rin kami kumain. Ngayon, it's time na guys. Naibigay ko yung surprise gift ko kay mama. I'm vlogging. Ma! I have something to give you. I have a surprise for you. I hope you like it.
Thank you. I don't like it.
Ah,
Like it.
this is for you.
Sana all.
Naiingit ako sa'yo, mga ako na lang.
Sana all.
Gusto mo sa gusto ko ito.
Okay, meron tayo sa lito. Si mama, dali. Si mama. Sige, i-open ka din, mama. Press na na. Itil. Itil na. Itil. Mana itil. Mana itil. Wala ka na ko. Ha?
Wala na tayo.
What will you say, ma? Nakaka-touch naman. Alright guys, naibigyan na natin sa kanya yung bagong phone niya. Happy birthday, my love.
A few moments later.
Hey ma, natapos na ang aming surprise sa'yo. What do you say about last night and about earlier?
Hindi ako na-expect na kakantahan niyo ako ng manyanita.
Oh, about last night, what do you say?
Doling, hindi ko rin alam yun. Wala akong idea.
Kahit konti.
Konti. Pero ako lang nagtataka. Hindi niya ako masyadong pinapansin kung ako yung tatanyo. Para bang binabali. Wala. Bakit?
Nasa tricycle na tayo.
Napakaalam ko. Pupuntan tayo Tangyari.
Okay. Sobrang na-surprise ka?
Siyempre. Sobrang.
Okay. Happy birthday, ma. I love you.
Maraming salamat sa mga effort.
Hi guys, natapos na rin. Super happy siya guys. Naiiyak si mama. Kaya kanina naiiyak na rin ako. I'm so sleepy pa guys. Matutulog muna ako guys. That's it for my vlog guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. Yun. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Good night.
We are here to sing you a birthday roundelay. It's a happy birthday. We are happy too. To sing with all our heart.
Guys, so nandito na po kami sa labas. Hintay lang muna yung gigitar sa amin.
After all is said and done.
No, my kid.